Good morning, lovely Patreon peeps. Mum and I are off on an adventure. So I think I told you at the end of last year that I was looking to do something new for the $10 and up tier, and Mum and I are going to go on adventures on the island and take you with us. And these videos are going to be exclusive on Patreon for at least the first month, so you have early access to it. And I will be hopefully finding a little something to send you all from wherever we end up. So today we've decided to brave the alpaca farm, haven't we?
Yep, very exciting.
Yes, it says it's going to rain at around about 5 o'clock, but it's going to be kind of overcast and windy today, but we thought we'd give it a go. The other option was the braiding villa, wasn't it? The Roman villa.
Which is lovely.
Yes, Mum's already been, I haven't, so but neither of us have been to the alpaca farm,
No.
and there is the possibility of there being wool, so we're quite excited about that.
Yes.
We do need to nip into town first and get you some thread though, don't we?
Yeah, or all the way back, whichever you prefer.
No, let's do it on the way out.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, we're going to go to Newport, pick up some thread, and then we're going to the alpaca farm.
I have a list.
Yay! She hates lists.
I hate lists.
And she was saying to me, she said to me yesterday, she goes, could you remind me to buy this? And I'm like, well, I'll try, but write a list, because I'm likely to forget as you are. Wow. Not even on your phone. Okay. So I'm driving, so I'm going to pass the camera over to Mother, and we'll see what QQ cam looks like today. It's very flat here, isn't it? Yeah. We're on a tiny, tiny road.
Tiny road.
Tiny road. Terrifying. Just had to reverse. Yes. Because there is definitely not room for more than one car along here, and the verges are very soft, and one side has got quite a significant dip. You'll be fine.
But look in the distance, we're coming
so
over the
pretty.
brow of the hill. And can you see the sea?
It's Bournemouth over there, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've made it. We have started as we mean to go on. Weight Watchers has gone out the window today. I woke up this morning and I've lost £1 so far.
We'll put it back on.
Yes, we're going to do a lot of walking and going and seeing all the things, but the lady just told us that the 2 pygmy goats have had babies, so there's teeny tiny little goats, so we're going to go see those first. I'm very excited. Finished our tea and cake. They even let us buy food for the baby goats and the alpacas. I'm so excited. We can see an alpaca. There's a giant chicken. Huge. That is a big chicken.
Messy chicken.
Di will be able to tell me what type of chicken this is. Hello, you're beautiful. You've got very muddy feet though. Oh, this is what you walk into. It's amazing. Miniature donkeys. Little fluffy chickens. Oh, they're so cute. See, Mum loses a finger.
Right, and then I've got 2 for you on my scarf. I got stuck. No, it's just, no.
The little spotty one is like, no, all for me.
I think we're going to have to do it at the same time.
Oh.
Aren't
they good?
Come look those live online.
Look at her wagging her tail. Proud mum.
Oh, they are so adorable. Oh. And there's 2 more. Just back there as well.
Look how starved of everything. You're such a good mum. You see, yes, you like it like.
Mum's made friends. There's a donkey looking very longingly at you, Mum.
Definitely find it.
I'm getting looked at by a llama.
And you're very clever mum.
Oh, it doesn't want to focus.
I tried to offer them and they don't want it. And they're disdainful. But they have got a whole bucket. I think it could be why.
Fierce little thing. Yeah, Mum, giant goose.
Oh yeah.
Giant goose. Yeah, they are so cute.
You're funny little creatures, aren't you? You're beautiful. Yeah, you're very beautiful. Have you not had any fun?
That one kind of just like, yeah, lipped at you. That one wants to eat it. And then, oh,
Look at you.
the little spotty face is desperate.
Face.
Oh, it wasn't a goose. It's an Muscovy duck. Sorry about the wind, guys. And then we've got Light and Isabel Brahms. I think that's what that giant chicken was.
Yes.
Indian runner ducks and guinea pigs. They are the fluffiest little things. Well, the other thing that the size that you've got was chicken feed.
Oh, right.
So they've seen the little.
Hopeful.
Yeah, that one's sensible. That one's out of the mud. Well, Mum's bought her walking boots, and I have got my boots on. But let's just hope I don't fall in. These are beautiful too. Look at you. Oh, look, there's loads more of those grey ones. Do you think they'd escaped? That one's sensible as well. That's sitting on top.
Yeah.
Oh, here are the ducks. Hello. Oh, look at the goats in their houses.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see that.
Yeah.
I hope they stay still long enough for me to zoom in. My zoom is very slow.
Is easier to see, isn't he?
Yeah.
Black.
They're very happy in their little houses.
They're not coming out for this.
No, they don't want to go through all the mud. Oh, it's very zoomed in. Let's change that. No one needs to see anything that close. Oh, the goats have come out. We've got food buckets. Hello. They're going to make an effort. Mum has leather gloves on and she's kind of realising that it could be goat skin. Hello.
You're hungry.
Oh, I'm not doing very well. Come here. No, I made them run away from me. I wonder if my hand smells funny.
You're a bad boy. Tried to take it out the
Hello.
Yeah, he's a bad boy.
You're very ginger. You're just slobbering all over me. There we go. Ew. Hello. Many greedy goats. No headbutting. Oh my goodness.
Thinking about pigs in mud.
They are. They are snout. They're truffle hunting. Yeah, I can. We haven't seen their faces once. Oh, hi. Pretty muddy hands.
Oh, there you are.
Oh. Oh. Careful.
Love it, doesn't it? Oh.
Hi. It's a bit chilly out here, but I think we're going to walk around and go and see some llamas because there's llamas in this field. teeny tiny chickens. Hello. And then
Big fat chicken.
giant chickens. It still knows we have food. More food. He's very, very beautiful. I think he knows he is as well. He's got his ladies on the roof. Hi. And look at that one. Well, you're beautiful too. Well, should I say handsome? Very handsome. Hello. Hi. Oh, this one's following me. We had cape on at Christmas, I promise.
Gobble gobble. It's not so much of a gobble gobble, is it? It's more like a
Trill. Chiana makes that noise actually. I'm not sure that's the best place to have a bath, mate. You're white.
How does he stay so white?
I've no idea. You're having a whale of a time. Yes, this is where the Christmas trees go to die. Look at the size of that chicken. I know I keep saying it, but it's nearly as big as the pygmy goat.
Yeah. It is.
Hello. You're still not as big as that Goliath chicken that we all saw that kind of took Facebook by storm. But you're very beautiful. Yes, you are. Very beautiful. Cat. Beautiful cat. Hello. I smell of an alpaca, but would you like to say hi? No, you're much friendlier than Chiana, aren't you? Yes. Hello. Oh. That was enough, was it?
Look.
How to goat. Oh. Making friends. Oh. And they're trying to climb all over Mum. Oh, yep, no. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't wear my suede boots today. We definitely worked up an appetite wandering around, but oh my goodness,
Daddy's gonna be lucky.
yeah, thankfully they do takeaway as well. I don't know if you can see it at the moment, but they have the most beautiful pizza oven. Look at it, isn't it stunning? And they also have an African grey parrot called Pixie. Hello, Pixie. So, this is the shop. I love the Llamageddon and the All Drama Llama t-shirt. And they have lots of pre-knitted items, but they also do yarn as well. So it's £12.50 for 50 grams of yarn. And that's the yarn that is 100% from the llamas here. And then all of the knitted items have, it's like a conglomerate. They send the wool off to be processed with all other UK alpaca yarn. So there is Isle of Wight alpaca in the socks and things like that, but it's not 100% from the Isle of Wight because it's very expensive to do it in small quantities. I do like the t-shirts. Alpaca clips. I think Llamageddon is my favourite. We have finished at the llama, at the alpaca farm. I've got the world's smallest llama. It's so cute. It is a key ring, but it's going to live on my bookcase with all my other little bits and pieces.
It's cute.
Yes. So we didn't eat much of our pizza. We're going to take it home and have the rest of it for dinner tonight. Dad's going to be pleased with that.
Yeah.
Yes. But have you enjoyed your day?
Very much, thank you. Yeah, lovely day.
It was fun. They didn't have any postcards, so I have stolen you all a leaflet. We did ask. She was the lady that was running the shop was really, really lovely, wasn't she?
She was gorgeous, yeah.
So I'm going to send you all out a little note from me, and then also one of the kind of like info. And if you guys ever come to the Isle of Wight, I can highly recommend the Alpaca farm.
Yeah.
And there are lots of expecting mothers out there. There's going to be some more pygmy goats in a couple of weeks. There's going to be some baby sheeps. They've got she said something like this. There's going to be about
one a week.
Yeah, and they've staggered the pregnancies of the llamas and the alpacas so that they're going to increase their herd to at least 100. There weren't obviously 100 there today. They keep them on different plots of land over the island, which is very sensible actually. But yeah, so there's going to be lots of baby animals as well. So yeah, highly worth a visit, and the food is really good. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed our day, our first of our Isle of Wight adventures. It's been fun, isn't it?
It has. I've enjoyed it.
I think we're gonna do the tour of St Lawrence next.
Okay.
For next month,
Next
I think.
month, yeah.
And we'll take you around there. So yes, I shall see you then. Bye.